are here at the Eaton Learning Center with the University of Florida and the City of Miami in a nutritional program where we're teaching the young people in our community how to eat nutritious foods, what nutritious foods are, and how to even grow nutritious foods. This is so important to their overall health, their wellness, their mental health, and their ability to have energy every single day.
We are launching Ready, Set, Grow, which we are partnering with the University of Florida, IFAS Extension, in providing resources to learn about nutrition in the garden.
We've been able to come out to the centers and build the garden beds together, fill them with soil, and then plant together with the parents and the students.
It's very beneficial for students or children, especially this young, to be exposed to sensory, the soil, and it's awesome for them to learn where food comes from.
It's teaching the children at a young age how to care for our planet, for the environment, how to be held accountable and responsible, how to tend to things like the plants, watering them, and it's something that the families and the children can do together.
Ready, set, go!